Alright everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. But anyways, yeah, welcome back. I don't know what else to say, just we here, we ready. I'm gonna install this bad boy right here. Well, I'm not gonna install it, I'm gonna hook up the lines. I'm not gonna really install it. I'm not gonna put it yet to the floorboard or the base of the car. Or I'm not 100% sure, just because I still have a lot of stuff around the vehicle, so I kind of don't want to. But I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna see. But I am gonna be hooking up the lines and connecting everything together. All these right here. I had already put them on, but I'm gonna take them off because I just test fitting them and that's it. But I'm gonna put some of that white tape. I forgot what it's called. Hold on. Teflon tape. I'm gonna put on some Teflon tape and get it on there, and then connect this, and then maybe I'll put it to the floor of the car, or the base, whatever you want to call it, to the trunk, and same with the compressor, and then I'll start hooking everything up. But let's get to it. So this is how it's looking so far, as you guys seen in the previous video. This is gonna go right here. I am probably gonna get another compressor and put it on this side, so I have two compressors and it'll look nice and everything. But for now it's just one. And okay, but anyway, I'm still debating on if I should attach it now or later. I might do it now. But I'm gonna do this one first and then that one. So, because I know this hose is a little short, so I don't know if I might need to get a new one, because it doesn't reach all the way. Not unless I move this closer to the tank, but I don't want it too close to the tank where it's like kind of off or like weird. But it might reach. It just might reach, maybe. But we'll see. But anyways, I'm gonna take off all these. Like I said, take all these off. Wrap them up with Teflon. Oh, I got those. Take these two off. Wrap them up with Teflon tape, and then yeah. So got those back in there. I got these back in. Okay, so I got these back in there. So that's that. No, I don't know if I should drill it in there now or if I should wait. But I think I should drill it in there now. I just don't want to make holes on the... I just don't want to make holes on this if it's... Like, not because it's not right, but because I don't want to... I don't know. I think I'm just going to wait, though. For now. So... I connected everything, all the hoses, basically over here, I connected all the adapters and whatnot, and I marked out where I'm gonna drill into for the tank, and then I'll be doing that side too over there right now in a bit. All right, let's do this. Just like so. Pretty easy. Smaller than expected, but just gonna screw it in there, just like so it's like a perfect fit basically. But I'm just gonna do it like this, so not as bad. Some light. You guys can see.
I knew you were just right there.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did, but I was like, where'd he go? I thought you
Decided to show up, huh? Finally.
were...
Once I'm already done. I got it on. It's on there pretty good. So now I'm gonna drill that one in. Alright, so check this out. So I just had a test fit. I was here talking with John, and then we're I don't know how it got to it, but I connected the ground to over here, and then this used to be for my amp. So watch this. So I'm wondering if this is. Let's see if this works right here. I don't think it's gonna work, but let's see.
Working?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is. It goes up a little bit, but not all the way. Let me see if I can. Oh, can you hold it? Hold on. You see that? It went up. Let me go down real quick.
You're stupid.
Hold on, actually. Let me air down. Let me air. That's tight. What the fuck? I just had a, I don't know what you would call it, but pretty excited. I'm excited, bro.
Static isn't dead.
Okay. Alright. So I got it up and running, which is pretty cool. I'm kind of excited. Got me excited. I like just messing with it, you know. But I think I'm gonna end it right there, just cause I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of like, how am I gonna run this, or am I gonna do this? How am I gonna run that, and like a couple other things. So the bags should be coming in on a Saturday and Sunday. Hopefully I install those. I don't think I'm gonna install them, but I don't think everything's gonna be set up just yet, because I still got that one. See, I'll debate it. I don't know. I'll probably leave this part in. If not, there's a big surprise for the S2000 that I still gotta do. It's one more thing, and that's to put it on. If I already released the video, it's obviously gonna have to wait. But yeah, so get in there. It's getting there. It's getting there. I got 2 months. 2 months left. 2 months and Wreckfest. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you, Wreckfest. I'm coming for you. Okay. Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching. See ya. Peace out. Next one. Bye.